Hello, good evening all.
Good evening.
Nilay, Shweta, Abhay, Subhajit,
Good
Rajat,
evening, sir.
Bakul, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Abhay, I think you missed our previous session. Did you watch the recordings? Abhay?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know. Is it visible or not?
Yes, visible.
Visible. Can you see my CATIA screen? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. So today is our day 8. Yes? So in
Yes.
our last session, we have started the Boolean operations, but again, today we will revise. Okay, we will start from zero again. So let's close this window, take a file, new, part, say okay. Anyone knows what is Boolean operation and what is the importance of Boolean operations?
Boolean operations generally, which we saw in the previous lecture,
Hmm.
like add, assemble, intersect, union trim, remove. These are all Boolean operations.
Okay.
And through these four to five operations only, we can draw any complex shapes like sheet metal through remastering.
Yeah.
And generally, these 4 to 5 commands are only used uh, in the OEMs and MNCs. So any part can be converted into finished product, like in the CAD
Yeah.
itself.
Yes. With help of these tools or the operations like assemble, add, remove, intersect, union trim. Okay. Considering the main tool direction, we can design any part. Okay, it can be means not the surface part. Okay, not the surface part. For the surfacing, we will use GSD, but after surfacing again, we will have to start the part design. Okay, not means we can't deliver only surface to any tool maker. Okay, so each surface should have some thickness. So for thickness, we will use part design. Okay, and there will be number of fixation feature like screw boss where we will use screw to fix that part on any structure. We will have snaps, dog holes, locators, clip towers. Okay, so such operations means the fixations we can design with help of boolean operations. Okay, we can design 90-95% designs we can design with help of this boolean operations. So once we open the part file, so it is my starter file, so I will hide the point and the access system. Here we have part body and the geometrical set. As we discussed in our previous sessions, geometrical sets will be for geometrical set will be for
CATIA.
sorry, Ankit,
CATIA, sir.
your voice is breaking, sorry, not clear.
Geometrical sets generally will be for reference only, like point, plane, axis system, like
It
that.
is for reference as well as the commands whatever we will use from GSD. Okay, the surfacing commands. Okay, it will be inside geometrical set. Okay, Nilay, everyone, Abhay,
Yes,
Ankit.
surfacing
Yes,
means
sir.
surfaces will be also under this geometrical sets.
Yeah, yes. So
Y-
see,
Yeah,
if
unless we select a
hmm,
hybrid command, right? It won't
no,
be
no,
in
no,
the.
no, no, no. See, if we go to start, okay, if we go to shape, inside shape, you will find generative shape design. If you click on this one, so whatever command, if you use from this workbench, here you can see all commands are of surfacing. Okay, so again, we have the same command pattern. Okay, same like part design. Okay, no difference. But rest here you can see some commands. Okay, which we will use for surfacing. Okay, so let's keep the surfacing, but if you are using any command from this workbench, it will go inside geometrical set. Okay, Nilay, clear? Rajat, everyone, Shweta?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
so let's go to the start, mechanical design and part design. Okay, so see, we are going to work in part modeling, means part design. Okay, so we will never use geometry set. Never use means by default it will, if you are using point, line and plane, it will go inside geometry set, it will not go inside part body. Okay, so our first step will be the point, say okay. Then the second step will be access system on this point, say okay. Done. Okay, now the boolean operations. So what are the boolean operations? Again, interview question for freshers. Okay, so first we will define our last body. Which is our last body over here? Part body. So right click F. What is the shortcut F? Define in work object. Here you can see alphabet F. There is a small dash. So it will be the shortcut. Shortcut will be right click F. Okay, so it is defined. So whatever I will insert in this tree, it will go below this one. So Alt I B. This will be shortcut for part body. See, this is a body. Again Alt I B. Again Alt I B. 3 times. The first body we will rename it as final.
So generally, these
Yes,
bodies are inserted outside the geometrical set, and
yeah,
its main body is created. But we have defined that geometrical set, and under this part body, final body 3, body 4 are coming. So
no, see, part body will be by default. Okay, Nile,
okay,
this is by default.
yes,
So suppose, okay, here you can see we have part body, we have final, we have body 3 and we have body 9, body 4. So if I define over here, right click F, now part body is defined. Okay, now if you
okay.
press Alt I B, see where is your body 5? After body 4 or here?
After body, okay, okay, okay. Means
Okay,
it is not considered inside the geometrical set, but it
yeah,
will be after geometrical set, right?
yes. See, it is not inside geometry set. If you click on the minus symbol,
Okay,
okay, what is inside geometrical set? Here you can see only point.
okay.
Okay, so let me delete this body for now. So we
Ye-
have final. Yes, Nilay?
Yeah, just till now I was under impression that it comes under the geometrical set whenever
No.
I was trying to make a
Hmm.
part body.
Okay.
Now it is clear to me that it is like that.
Yeah. Okay. No issue. Okay. So we will never work inside part body till now. Okay. Means for some days once we start our advanced design, the project level training. Okay, so that time I will explain, means let's consider in next week I will explain what is the use of part body. Okay, till now don't touch this one, just define and take 3 bodies: final, body 3 and body 4. Okay, these names are not mandatory that okay sir, in your on your screen sir you are getting body 3 body 4, in my screen I'm getting body 6 body 7. No issue, you can just rename. So first body, we have inserted 3 empty body by using shortcut Alt B. First body will be the final, second body will be the positive. Okay, just keep only one for now. Okay, and this will be our, let's rename main 1. Okay, so this is main 1 and again Alt B. Sorry, see, we are getting body 6 after this one. Why? Because by mistake I defined this one. So I will delete this one. To maintain the sequence I will define over here. Again I will press Alt B. So this will be a only body 2. Okay, body underscore 2. I will rename this one as a body 2. Done. Now define our main body, main 1. Take the position sketch on the top plane. I want to draw 3D like this. So sketch I will draw in this view. Tell me the orientation is okay or not okay. V and H.
It is not okay. Need to
Not okay.
reverse V,
Reverse V and
reverse H.
H. Perfect. Say okay. So let's draw a rectangle over here. Let's put some dimension, tentative dimension. So this is, let's keep 125, enter, and this is 200. Done. Let's keep like this. Exit. ISO view. Now we'll use pad. Done. Say okay. Here you can see I had designed the sketch. So where is my sketch? Right click center graph. This is your pad, and inside pad you will find sketch show. What is the shortcut for the show and hide? Spacebar. Okay. So this is my sketch one and this is our main. So let's change the color, make it green. Okay. Now define our body two. Define, right click F. Let's draw a sketch. Okay. Let me tell you what output we want. Okay. Let me explain what output we want. What we want. This is our green block. Okay. This is our green block. And inside this block, I want to add one cylinder. So cylinder will be something like this. Let's take yellow color. Um, Cylinder will be something like this. Okay. So how to add? Add means what? Add means if I add this cylinder with this one, this will be my final body. Okay. This will be a single body, which will be a final body. Okay. So for this, I had taken a body for this one means main one. Here you can see in main one, I had designed the block, and inside body two, I will design the cylinder. Clear? And after that, I will apply Boolean operation.
Sir, I think we are repeating this Boolean operation, or else we had taken in the last Friday, Saturday. So
We are
repeating it,
repeating.
sir?
Yeah, we are repeating. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So let's take a position sketch on the top plane. Let's skip like this. Reverse V, reverse H. Okay. Let's draw a circle like this. Exit. So let's apply pad command again. Let's increase the value like this. Say okay. Now here you can see inside body 2, I will define the body 2. I had drawn this sketch and use pad. Let's change the color. Select the body. Are you getting this option? If you are not getting, just right click on the tool anywhere and activate this option, graphics property. There should be tick mark in front of this. So you will get these options to change the graphics property. Select the body to change the color, make it yellow. Done. Okay. Now every time we will have a body, we will rename it as a main. Okay. So this is a positive. Here you can see the empty body, final, then positive. Then we have taken one main one and the body two. So define the positive, right click F, define. Here you can say define in work object. Okay. The green body is our main body. Right click on it. Last option, say add. As you have defined by default, if you are applying add operation, by default the main body will go inside positive body. No need of any other further selection. Click on OK. See, inside positive we have added main one. Clear, everyone? Ankit, Abhay,
Yes,
with
yes,
us?
yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
yes. Yes,
again
sir.
we will define positive. Again we will define positive. Now what result we want? What result we want? We want to add cylinder inside this green block. So first operation will be our add. So how to apply operation? Right click, define in work object. It is already defined. Now right click on the body too. Last option, here you can see the Boolean operations: assemble, add, remove, intersect, union trim, and remove lump. So this is an interview question again for fresher or who wants to show 1 or 2 year of experience. Which are the Boolean operations you have learned or you can use in your projects? So these are the names. You can write it down: assemble, add, remove, intersect, union trim, and remove lump. These are the Boolean operations. So just now we have added our main in positive. Again, second operation will be what we want. We want the combination of green and yellow. So I will add again. So to add body 2 means the cylinder. Let's rename this as cylinder body 2. Okay. We will right click on it. Last option we will say add. So what is assemble and these tools? For now, for today, what we will learn? We will learn add, we will learn remove, intersect, and union trim. These are the most useful command for the project. Now, the right click on the button, body, last option, say add. Once you click on add, say OK. That's it. If you click on positive, can you see the complete bodies are, both bodies are highlighting, yes or no? See the yellow body as well as the green body, it is highlighting if you click on the positive. Okay, sir, is it mandatory that this body should intersect this one? No, it is not mandatory. If I double click on the pad, if I change the pad value like this, say OK, and if you right click on positive and say local update, can you see both bodies are not in contact with each other? But again, if you define the positive, here you can see both bodies are highlighting. Got it? So how to check whether it is a single body or two bodies? Let's try to apply translate command. Say yes. Let's try to translate in y direction. Got it? Is it a single body or two separate body? Say okay. See,
Single body, sir.
single body. Okay.
Single body.
So it is not mandatory that both bodies should be in contact. Okay. But logically, yes, both bodies should be in contact. You can't manufacture such type of two parts, means two separate bodies. Okay. So this is the add command. Any doubt in add? Sir, is it mandatory that the pad value should be only on one side? If I double click on the pad, instead of keeping gap, if I cross this one like this, what will happen? Try this one. Cross the body. Say okay. Just right click and local update. See, no issue. Select the positive body. See, it is a single body now. Clear in doubt in add? Any doubt? Shall we
Yes,
proceed?
sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Perfect. Again, three bodies we will take now. Alt IB, Alt IB, Alt IB. The first body will be again final. So, okay, sorry, we missed one point. So, what is the use of final body? Let's rename this as a final add. Okay, we have learned add command. So, add final add, which is our first boolean operation. Define our final, and once you have done your operation inside positive, we will add positive inside final. Right click on the positive, say add, say okay. Clear?
Clear,
Final
sir.
add positive, inside positive we added two body. Again we will rename the bodies same like this. Now this time right click O, this will be final underscore remove. Why? Because we are going to use remove operation. Now sir, is it mandatory that we should rename the body, otherwise we can't use the boolean operation? No. Right now, as we have newly started the boolean operation, for your understanding we are renaming like this, otherwise no need of renaming. Okay, okay, you can rename so that the history will be readable to others. For that purpose you can rename, otherwise no need. Okay, then see, this is our final remove. This will be a positive again, positive. Now we are going to use remove body. Okay, so just rename this as remove underscore body. Okay, now define this last body. Then let's take again two bodies. First will be the main, alt type B. Second will be the cylinder again, alt type B. This will be our main underscore 2. The second will be cylinder remove. Okay, cylinder body. Let's say cylinder body. So again, let me hide this one. Remember, inside which body we have designed the rectangle block? Quickly, inside which body we designed the rectangle block?
Positive.
Not positive. Here you can see main.
Main body.
Main.
So we'll
Main
define
two.
main 2
Main
again.
two.
Yeah, we'll define main 2. Take a position sketch on this one again. So is it mandatory that we should draw sketch on top plane? No. You can draw on any plane. Just for understanding, I am drawing on top plane. Again rectangle block, exit, use pad, done. Let's reduce the height, done. Let's apply, select the main to body, apply green. Okay. Now cylinder body, again define, right click F, again position sketch on top plane. So what result we want? We want such type of result. So it will be a block, it will be a green block, it will be a green block. Inside this block we want a hole, we want a cylindrical hole. So hole will be like this, one, like this. This will be a throughout hole. This is the result what we want. Now in, for this we will use remove. So let's take a position sketch on top plane, reverse V, reverse H, say OK. Again let's draw a circle, exit. Let's use pad, let's increase the value. See what I will do, I will just lift the limit to Y. Now you will get idea. Okay, so here you can see, let me change the color, let's apply blue color. Now here you can see the green is the main two and the cylindrical body is the blue one. Tell me what will the next step? Every time we will add our main inside positive body. So define positive, right click on the main, last option, say add, done. See inside positive I got main body, inside positive I got main body. Clear?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now the
sir.
cylindrical body. For cylindrical we are going to apply remove command. Okay, but for that we will have to add this body inside a new body. So we will add, define our new body. That's why we have taken this body, negative remove body. Right click on this one, last option, say add, say okay. We will add this body inside this one, remove body. We will call it as negative body as well. So rename this, right click, property, let's rename in bracket if you want, negative. Okay, negative body. So cylinder is a negative body for us. Now again this common step will be, again define the final, remove, define this one. Every time we will add positive inside final. So final is defined, add positive, right click, last option, add in final. See, got it? See, final, add positive, final, add positive. Again define, we will define final, remove. Now the last command will be, what we want, we want a hole in green body. So we will define a final, remove. We will right click on this one, remove or negative body, last option we will say remove, say okay. See what is the result. So why there is not a throughout hole? Because here you can see the section command. If I take the section, if I click on this face, and if you move this section, we are getting a pocket like this. So why? Because your remove body is not passing through the green body. If you expand this one, remove, this is your remove body. If you expand this one, otherwise what you can do, just right click on this pocket and say center graph. Here you can see pad 4, double click on it. If you pull your limit to like this, now you will get the throat hole, say okay. Now right click on the final, remove, say local update. Got it? Yes, got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
Rajat,
Yes, sir.
Nilay, Abhay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Ankit,
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now again alt IB, alt IB, alt IB. Let's hide this, remove. First body name will be quickly final,
Final.
The third command is intersect. Okay, this body will be again
Positive.
perfect.
Positive.
This will be
Intersect.
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 Yeah, intersect. Perfect. Again we will take a again we will add two bodies, alt I B, alt I B. This will be again main 3. We had done main 2, we have this main 3. Now this body will be for intersect. Okay, this will be for intersect. Now define main 3 again. Again we will draw a block inside main 3. Top plane, reverse, reverse, say okay. Let's draw a rectangle again. Exit, again pad, say okay. Select the main 3, go over here, apply green color. Perfect. Done with main 3. Now define intersect. Right click, define in work object. Again position sketch on top plane. Keep like this. Reverse V, reverse H. Say okay. Let's draw a circle. Exit. Now what we'll do, we'll use pad again. Throughout pad. Upside as well as downside. Okay. Select the body, apply blue color. Done. We have main 3. We have for intersect this cylinder. Tell me the process now for intersect command quickly.
Define
But
positive body.
Define positive body. Perfect. Rajat, Ankit,
Add main to the positive body.
main 3 to the positive body. Perfect. Then
Now define
define
intersect.
define intersect. Perfect.
Now intersect for intersect body.
Right click on for intersect. Last option intersect. Sorry, not intersect. Okay. Sorry, we will
add circle.
add. We will add.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So here we have added. Okay. So let's rename this as for intersect instead of add intersect. Okay, intersect body we added inside intersect. Now next
Then define final intersection.
define final intersect. Perfect.
Then add positive body.
Okay, let's do one thing first. Let's do with sketch. So we have the green body. Okay, we have the green body again. Okay, we have the green body. Okay, now again we have the cylinder in blue color. Okay, we have the cylinder, but it is passing throughout. It is passing throughout the block. So what will the intersect? What is the intersect then? Green, blue and green body. What will the intersect result?
Cylinder.
It will be this cylinder,
Combination of green body and blue body.
the common area of green and blue. Got it, everyone? What is intersect?
Yes, sir.
Ankit, others.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is a good opportunity. Okay.
But
See, for this one we have done the projects. Okay, we have done 2 3 projects. Okay, we will discuss this in next session. Okay, at 9 p.m. Okay, final intersect we had defined over here. Then quickly, next step will be every time
Then
positive will be added inside final. ये सब है. Others,
Yes, sir.
we will right click on the positive, last option, say add, Say okay, positive is added. Again define the final intersect. Then quickly
Then intersect,
Intercept.
intersect
right
on
click
right
on
click on the intersect. Last option,
Intersect.
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 Say okay. See what is the result? Got it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
Shall
sir.
shall I repeat? Shall I repeat this one? So what will happen if I move the cylindrical the sketch of cylinder? Let me show you. Double click on this cylinder sketch. Here you can see cylinder sketch. If I keep this circle over here, what will the result? Right click on the final, say local update. Yes or no? This will be the result. If you want to see the cylinder, you can define over here. Right click, define. Can you see the cylinder as well as the block? Can you see this corner, a quarter shape? This you will get. Define the final intersect now. See, this will be the result. Clear? Intersect command.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Shall we
Yes,
proceed?
sir.
Okay. Again, Alt I B, Alt I B, Alt I B. This, the name will be final. Quickly, final.
union trim,
Union trim, enter. This will be again
positive,
positive. This will be
union trim, union trim,
union trim. Perfect. Again, we will take two bodies, Alt I B, Alt I B.
ma-
This will be
ma- main,
main underscore 4, and this will be,
for union trim,
yes, add union trim. Okay, we will say add just for your learning purpose. Okay. Now again, we will define final for define. Let's hide this one. Go to position sketch. Now this time what I will do, I will draw a sketch on this one. Okay, no, let's draw sketch on this one because I want to explain some tricks over here. So reverse V, reverse edge, say okay. This time we will not draw the rectangle and circle. Okay, this time we will use spline, random spline like this. Exit, say exit. Okay, this is our main. Let's use pad value, pad command. What is the error?
thick sir.
Thick command we
We
will
have
have
to add
to activate. Why? Because the sketch is open. Say yes. Activate the thick command. Let's apply thick of 30. 30 is okay. Let's extend limit 1 as well as limit 2. What is the value? Let's make it 600. Let's make it 400. Enter. Main, apply green color to main. Done. Now define add union trim. Define this one. Again, in top view, I will draw a position sketch, reverse V and reverse edge. Say okay. Let's draw a spline, a vertical spline like this. Exit. Sorry, undo. Exit. Exit this one. Again, we will use pad. Again, same error. Say yes. Activate the thick option. Okay. Now this time, what was the limit one? Remember what was the limit one? 600 and limit
600.
2?
Uh,
400. Yes. Preview. Yes. Say okay. Now let's select the add remove trim this body. Apply blue color. Okay. Now tell me we have green body and the blue body. Okay. Tell me the both bodies are crossing each other 100% or not. If you
yes
z-
sir.
if you zoom over here, here you can see the green body face is 100% matching with this one, this face. If we check
Yes,
from
sir.
the bottom side, again you check green face is perfectly matching with the blue one. That means both bodies are splitting each other 100%. Okay, means we can split this body in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now in union trim you can have multiple options, you can get multiple result. Means with help of union trim, if you want this result, only this body, you can get it, no issue. You can cancel this. In union trim, if you want result like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you want this 2, you can get this result with help of union trim, you can cancel this 2. Got it? But what is the condition? There is one condition, there is one rule. Both bodies should cross each other 100%. Clear? Clear,
Yes.
Ankit?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
define positive. Define positive. What will the next step quickly? Yes, Ankit.
Add add main body.
Right click on the main. Last option,
Okay.
say add. It will go inside positive. Why? Because positive is already defined. Then
Then we have to define union trim.
union trim, perfect.
And after we have to add a union trim.
Yeah, we will right click on this one, add, add. Say okay. Then
Then we have to define final union trim.
final union trim, perfect.
Then after we have to add positive body.
Right click on the positive body,
Right click on positive body and we
Add.
have to add.
add, done. So we inside final add positive, inside this final add positive, done. Again define.
Again define.
Hmm.
Then the right click sir.
Union
Right
trim.
click
Right.
on the union
Right
trim,
click.
perfect.
Union
And then
trim.
we have
Last
to
option,
trim.
Union trim.
union trim. Okay, once we click on the union trim, here you can see we are getting red patches. Red patches means 100% matching. Okay, both faces are crossing each other 100%. Means we can select any options. If you want, you can select this two. If you want, you can select only one side. If you want to select 1, 2, 3, you can select it. No, no issue. Here you can see faces to remove or faces to keep. You can select any one of these two. So let's select the first one, faces to remove. Click on the multi selection box. I want to remove this face. I want to remove this face. So what will the result? The result will be this side and this side. This will be cancelled. Why? Because we have selected this face and this face in faces to remove. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
See, we have selected over here faces to remove. Okay. So can we do reverse? Instead of selecting faces to remove, can we select this faces to keep? Yes. You can select over here only two. You can select these two faces over here. Click on this one, multi selection, and select this two face. No need to select this two. Automatically CATIA will remove this two. Why? Because you are not selected. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Click on preview. See, this will the result. But there is one condition. Okay, as I mentioned, there is one condition. The one condition is both bodies should cross each other 100%. So if I double click on the trim, let's remove this two selection. Click on multi selection, remove, select, remove. Close this one. So now can I do one thing? Faces to keep, click on the multi selection. Here we have no selection, here we have no selection. But if I click on this one, I got this box, faces to keep. Now what I will do, I want this face, I want to keep this one, I want to keep this one, I want to keep this one. So the result will be preview like this. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Yes.
Clear. Now, so what will happen if these top faces are not passing through or not crossing each other 100%. Let's do one thing. Right click center graph. Here is the pad 7. Let's increase the pad value of green one by only 1 mm. See, done. See what I had done? Preview. I had just reduced the value of green body pad by 1 mm. Here you can see 599. The pad value of blue is 600. For green I had done 599 mm. Say OK. Now if you right click on this stream and if you say local update, here you can see you are not getting that result. Double click on trim 1. Let's do once again. Remove, select remove, select remove, close this one though. Okay, no selection, no selection. Here you can see, tell me the green body is crossing the blue body 100% or blue body is crossing through the green body 100%.
Blue
Green
body is
body is
crossing.
passing.
Sorry,
Green body is passing fully to the
fully through blue body.
blue body, sir.
That means you can select the faces of blue you want to keep or you want to remove. Okay, if I click on faces to keep and if I select this side face and this side face, what will the result? The result will be like this. Result will be like this, 1 and 2. This will be removed. So why we will get this complete blue? Because there is no breaking point over here. The blue material is flowing across the green one. Got it? So from where it is flowing, just zoom. Can you see the 1 mm gap? See, click on preview. This will be the result. So what if I say select remove, close. If I select faces, now click on preview. Sir, if faces to remove, click on the multi-section block. Okay, sir, if I select this face to remove, what will happen? CATIA will remove this as well as this. Why? Because it is a single material. Okay, there is no partition with due to the green body. See the 1 mm gap. Preview. This will be the result. Got it? Got it? What
Yes,
is the
sir.
rule for unit trim? Quickly. Ankit, Nilay, Chetan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, Abhay, Viridesh, Shweta, Subhajit. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Say okay. So, if you want a perfect union trim, the both bodies should have a common crossing area. So let's increase this one. No, what I want, let's reduce this one. This should be 599. Enter. Now right click or right click over here, say local. So this is the result now. Why? Because now the upper face, this face and the bottom faces are crossing the green body. Clear. Any doubt in union trim? Quickly. Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
No.
Chetan, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Perfect. Okay.
Geometrical dimension and tolerancing.
Hmm.
Actually, I was going through one of the interview questions in ChatGPT.
Ha.
So we have two standards: ASME 14.5 2009,
Hmm.
right, and ASME 14.5 2018. So in
Yes.
the newer version, why symmetricity and concentricity are removed? Because in the recent interview questions way back, I think in
Hmm.
June, I was asked this question. So
Okay.
I actually couldn't answer it logically, even though even though I know that this has been removed from the latest version.
Hmm.
But why it has been removed, I couldn't answer that. So okay, sir, yeah, I
Okay.
will get
Please
back.
check
Yes.
and maybe in next session we can discuss this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Any other question? Clear? See, Boolean operation is very important.
Clear.
Don't skip anything. Okay. Add, remove, intersect and union trim. Just learn this 4 command for now. Okay, and again in our last session we had done one exercise. I think most of you have missed that one. If you notice over here, can you see we have, if we check the screenshot from Nilay, here you can see you should able to decide, so where will, to design this 3D, where will the origin means the first point and where will the access system. So here you can see you have received the PDF. Okay, we are not going to touch that PDF from next week. Okay, this will be our last week in which we will do some exercise from the PDF. From next week directly we will do some practical examples. Okay, so here you can see from PDF you will get some isometric views. So what is the exercise you have to do? For each and every isometric view, you should able to decide where will the origin and where will the access system. Here you can see Nila has shared the screenshot as per what he wants. See, sir, here will the origin. If suppose I want to design this 3D, I will take origin over here and here will be the access system. So for the this base plate, on which plane you will draw the first sketch?
XY plane,
XY
Why?
plane. For the cylinder,
Y plane,
Y plane. Why? Which command you are going to use?
revolve command if Y plane.
Okay, if I don't want to use revolve command,
X means the surface will be extruded in the sketch which we have drawn in the XY plane, and then that surface we will extrude that boss.
perfect. And for this one, this feature,
We will take a plane from the center and we will merge that, add that body in that boss, and finally we can use union trim.
okay, but on which plane you will draw the sketch for this body?
Why X plane?
X plane. Perfect. Now, Ankit, can you tell me for this one? Yes, Ankit, here
Yes, sir. We can start to draw it on XY plane.
XY plane, which sketch you will draw? This one? This one?
Uh, yes, sir.
Or the
This one.
cylinders? What? Which will be your first sketch? Which will be your first sketch?
So my first sketch is cylinder.
Cylinder
From
means
top side.
from top view. Okay, means XY plane.
Yes, sir. XY.
Then
And then I will use union, some Boolean concept
hmm,
for the rest of the drawing.
yeah, no, that is okay. But what will be your second sketch? Which will be your second sketch?
That U bracket.
This one. For this one, on which plane you will draw the sketch?
Okay. I will draw it on X plane.
X plane means YZ plane.
No, no.
I think, sir, we will take a plane offset from the bottom 10 mm and then dot 10 mm offsetting from the XY plane, and on that plane we will draw the sketch, and finally we will pad it.
Okay, but here if you notice, this is not the flat face, it is a curve face. Notice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
how will you get this one? Just think on it, okay? Just
Okay.
think on it. Okay, for this one, again other Ankit done. Rajat, yes. For this one, which sketch you will draw first?
Mm,
Here you can see Nile wants to take the origin in the middle of this two and the center. Yes, Nile, am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, and at the corner
Okay.
edge of that
This L
L.
plate
Yes,
inside
bottom
face.
side.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Rajat,
yes,
which
sir.
sketch you will draw first? See, Rajat, everyone, Ankit, Rajat, Abhay, everyone. Okay. It is not mandatory to follow the origin and the access system what Nila has mentioned. Okay. You can take your origin anywhere. You can take your access system anywhere. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's do one thing. Just a minute. Here we have the PDF. Can you see the PDF? Yes, is it visible? Okay.
Yes.
Again from for everyone. Okay. Please try to attend advanced batch as well, which will be at 9 p.m. daily. Okay, after our beginner session we have advanced batch at 9 p.m. So why should we attend the advanced batch? Because after our training, 3 months training, you will get idea what you have to do in advanced project sessions. Okay, how to work on project, you will get idea. You will get ideas of why boolean is very important, why we are not learn the other commands, why we have skipped that commands. You will get idea. Okay, so till our next session, please do this exercise. Just put the origin and the access system. In next session we will design this 3D with help of boolean operation. In after that next session you will do this exercise live, and in this week within 2 days you have to finish all isometric view with help of boolean operation. Clear? Shall we stop?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, so in next session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.